afternoon we gonna present indefinitive and because demonstrative pronouns. My name is Jessie Heredia.
My name is Xiomara Alvarado. My name is Deyanira Popa. What is this?
This is a magazine.
What is that?
That is a book.
What is this?
This is a hairbrush. What are these?
These are coins.
What are those?
Those are dishes. What are these?
These are keys. What is this?
This is a calendar.
What is that?
That is a phone.
What is this?
This is an umbrella.
What is that?
That is a cell. What is this?
This is a newspaper.
What is that?
That is a change box.
What is this?
This is a comb. What are these?
These are stamps. What are those?
Those are matches. What is this?
This is a file.
What is that?
That is a wine.
What is this?
This is a notebook.
What is that?
That is a pen. What is this? This is an ID card. What is that? That is an address book. What is this? This is a credit card. What are these? These are glasses. What are those? Those are sunglasses. What is this? This is lipstick. What is that? That is a watch. What is this? This is a dictionary. What is